share with you my homemade lotion bars recipe. This recipe uses a combination of coconut oil, shea butter, and beeswax to make incredibly moisturizing bars. If your skin is feeling dry or rough, I encourage you to give these lotion bars a try. To make these homemade lotion bars, you need coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, almond oil, your favorite essential oils, and a square silicone mold. I'm using lavender essential oil because it's antibacterial, has a relaxing scent, and has been known to help with skin irritations, but you can make any scent combination you would like. To make these homemade lotion bars, you will start by adding 1 cup of coconut oil, 1 cup of beeswax, and a half of cup of almond oil to a microwave-safe bowl. You will then heat this bowl in the microwave in 30-second increments while stirring in between until it is liquid and smooth. Then stir in a half a cup of shea butter until melted. Next, add your essential oils. Start by adding 10 drops of each oil until you reach your desired scent. Then pour your hot liquid into your silicone mold. Then remove your bars from the mold and store in a cool, dry place. Remember that coconut becomes liquid in warm temperatures. I hope you give my homemade lotion bars recipe a try and share your favorite homemade lotion bars recipe in the comments. And be sure to share this video with friends and family. Thanks for watching.